tan color. It's definitely not that blue-black thing. That's the choroid. It's tan in color, and it's like wet tissue paper. The choroid, it has its integrity. It holds its own. So that's just one thing. The reason I bring that to your mind is because people look at the inside of the eyeball, and what's the first thing you would probably call that blue thing if you're looking at the inside of an eyeball? The retina. The retina's already fallen off. We can see it's hanging on there. It hangs on at the optic disc. Because if you think about it, the retina, that's where the retina goes out the back of the eyeball and becomes the optic nerve. So the retina is kind of tied in at that point. But the rest of the retina just falls off once the fluid comes out. But it stays. That's why it's staying right there. You can take your probe and kind of play with it. It'll move this way and that way. But it's probably going to stay on that little spot. And then what will we find if I looked on the back side, right where that spot is? The optic nerve. So where the retina sticks on the one spot, that's the optic disc. If you look exactly on the back side of that same spot, you'll see the optic nerve, right? Optic disc, optic nerve. Kind of like the same area. Anyway, I don't want to just keep babbling on. You'll see when you get here. I'll be happy to answer your questions.